What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Sonic from the Sonic movie. So let's get a brand new paper and put this one away. Alright, so first get a marker and then, start with the eyes like this. Going down, going from up, down, and then up again like this. See? Like that. But if I mess up, it's okay because it's just a tutorial. I just need to practice because I'm not really good at drawing. Alright, so the next step is you should make it like, that's the start of the nose, then make it big until small. Then draw a tiny circle. Yep, like that, then fill it in. Fill the outsides in except the white thing over here in the middle. So yeah, do not do that. You're not allowed for it. You're not able to do that. So there, it's kind of like the nose is shining. So next you want to do is you go over here and then do this. It's a part of the mouth, so you go here, then you draw here. But I want to teach you what color. I won't put on the colors. I will only tell you what colors. And yeah. So after you've done that, you need to do this. Make the eye like this. Then draw another oval and then fill in the space. Except for the below part, like that. Then to make the mouth, you need to, Alright, that's kind of hilarious. But anyway, let's do the next part. I mean the next eye. Didn't mean to say next part. Alright, let's see if this goes to the same height. Just need a little bit more. Alright, there. Then draw this. Oh no. Then draw the line like that. Oh. It's okay if I make the eye like that because if you make it, you're gonna have it look better. So next part is you want to go here and then do that. Then after that, you're gonna need to do this. It's kind of hard or tricky, like tricky from FNF, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not going to do tricky. Anyway, that's the eyebrow. I'm a bad drawer. Sorry if I'm a bad drawer because I only have sizes from videos and not made them by my own. So we're gonna make the inside. Alright, like that. Then we're gonna be doing this. Now it's time for the spikes. So then you go like this. Then after that you wanna come back like this. Then after that you go here and come back again. Then after that you wanna go all the way here. Come back all the way to his mouth. Yeah, like that. Sorry if my drawing skills are bad, but the last part is his other ear, so you know that I'm bad at the other ear. Alright, and do not put this in, because that's gonna ruin it. If you ruin it, you gotta restart the video, guys. So that's how you draw him. That's how you draw Sonic, guys. So I'll show you the colors. I'm gonna grab these crayons. It's kind of hard to open, but first you need light blue and some sort of darker blue. Oh! I almost made that fall, but I catched it. All right. then all you want to do is just make some, like, yeah, you're gonna have to make some details like this and that. Make your own details if you want, because if you make your own details, I think it's gonna look cooler than my details. Because if it's cooler, then it's gonna be 100% an A. I'm gonna give you a shout out if you can make this cooler. So you know that I'm bad at this, right? So you know I haven't drawn anything in a very long time now, guys. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this now. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Go, 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 go. All right. Then, okay, guys. So we're almost done. So I hope you guys see this, cause if you don't see it, it's pretty bad. You cannot even see this anymore, cause I'm looking. And then I don't know exactly what it really looks like after this. I don't know what it will look like after this. I don't know what the result will look like after this, because I haven't made this yet. I don't know if I should color it down. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna go. Oh, this is not blue. I'm gonna put it back in the case and see if, wait, is this blue? Let me test. Alright, that's blue. Alright, then you color like this. Just wait until I'm done, because I'm gonna show you again. Alright, I just need color green. I just need color green for the eyes. Which color green? Where's the color green I need? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Never mind. It's not the one. It's not the one. I'm trying to find it, guys. Sorry. Alright. This green. That's the green you need. And then keep drawing this. If you mess up, that's okay. You can redraw it and start the video. Because I could make more techniques to make supersonic. Yes, supersonic, but cool supersonic with a smiling mouth, not with a angry mouth, because it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be more hard. Yeah, because I have drawn more Sonics in this video. I've drawn more Sonics. I'm gonna teach you more Sonics, how to draw them, but I don't know how to draw the rest. So we're gonna keep coloring here, and then all right, we put it inside here. And guys, if you want to fart, please just hold your fart in, because I don't want to hear it right now. Because if you fart, I'm gonna shut down this video. I'm gonna shut down this video because I don't want to hear a fart. I don't want to hear any farts. Yeah, I don't want to hear any farts, because if I hear a fart, that's gonna be smelly. So please do not tell me you're gonna fart, because I don't want to hear you to fart. Do not tell me you're gonna fart. Just fart without telling me, so I would not hear it or smell it. Because actually I can't smell it because we're in a different country, and because of the COVID, I cannot come to your houses. Guys, if you're fans of me, I'm very sorry that I cannot really come to your house because of the pandemic, the virus, the bad virus. I cannot come to you. So, guys, comment down below if you want me to come to your house. Actually, but I only can come if I'm famous already, because I only have 100 subscribers, 126 subscribers. So, yeah, I don't have that much people. Only 126 people are attracted to me. Maybe some people are unsubscribing. Or you could, you could subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I'm almost done, guys. So I'm just gonna make it more. Oh, I forgot about the peach. All right, there. I'm just gonna put the. All right, it's better. Sorry, guys, for making the color going out like that. I'm really not a professional drawer. And I'm a bad drawer. I suck at things. I suck at it sometimes, but I luckily did it. Alright, then you're gonna wanna put the peach into the ears. And then if you put that, it's gonna, see, because if you put the light blue on the sides first, that's gonna be more realistic. It's gonna be more realistic. But the other one, I didn't want to put the light blue first, so I just put all light blue because I want to see how cool it looks. So, and let's just finish the mouth. Let's just finish the mouth. I didn't mean to say finish. It's finish. I'm sorry. I said it wrongly on accident. Alright guys, we're almost done. But we just need the eyes that were not completed yet. So we're not complete yet. So I don't know yet if you guys see I have a bandage because I got a cut in my hand. A cut in my hand, get it guys? It's a cut. I have a cut in my hand. And by the way, let's not focus on my cut. Never mind. Alright guys, as you can see, we are done. So guys, that's how you draw Sonic from the Sonic movie. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And make sure you comment down below what other Sonics you want me to draw. Bye!